Metropolis are expected to gather in Melbourne CBD tomorrow night to welcome in the new year. 4 ticketed celebration zones will be set up, but there'll be no rooftop fireworks at midnight in a bid to stop crowds gathering. Joe, all those details in the news next week.
Thank you very much, Tony. What do you have planned for New